Dear parents, let's have the beautiful glimpse of activities of Class 1 Indus. Welcome to our classroom, where learning comes alive. Activities are the inseparable part of learning in classroom to develop essential skills like teamwork, creativity, and critical thinking. Activities help to figure out how to apply and extend their new knowledge more effectively. Baisakhi and Founders Day. Shivalik Public School celebrated its 54th Founders Day on Baisakhi Day. Baisakhi is a festival that marks the onset of a new session. Mother Earth Week. On Earth Day, let's appreciate the beauty of our planet and take action to preserve it. Students enthusiastically participated in the Earth Week, where they took a promise to make their surroundings clean and green. Activities like Promise to Mother Earth, Bookmark Activity, Best Out of Waste, Nature Walk, and slogan writing was conducted. Nature provides countless opportunities for discovery, creativity, problem solving, and STEM education. Interacting with natural environments allows children to learn by doing and experiment with ideas. Mother's Day. Mother's Day is a celebration honoring the mother as well as motherhood, maternal bond, and influence of mothers in society. Students have made bouquets for their mothers to show the love and respect. Father's Day. We celebrate Father's Day to recognize the man in our lives who raised us, who gave us all the financial support, who was with us in all our decisions. The significance of a father is beyond words, as he is the person who works tirelessly to fulfill the requirements of the family. Theme-based assembly. Assemblies are a medium to enlighten the young minds and channelize the thoughts, feelings, and expressions into an ideal direction. They help to imbibe within the students the values and morals necessary to lead a balanced and disciplined human life. Assemblies can help students develop skills like public speaking, correct audience habits, etc. Hand washing. Students were presented with the PPT of 7 steps of hand washing and also performed the same. National Mango Day. Mango, often known as the king of fruits, is India's national fruit. Its sweet scent and exquisite flavors have captured the hearts of countless people all over the world. Shiksha Saptah. Shiksha Saptah was a week-long celebration that aims to foster collaboration, innovation, and a spirit of education among learners, educators, policymakers, and stakeholders. It also provides an opportunity to reflect on the reforms introduced by the National Education Policy 2020. Students also participated in cultural programs, sports activity, and paper bag making activities. Independence Day. Independence Day is the national festival that makes us reflect on our national values. Independence Day assemblies are not just events but transformative experiences that mold young minds into responsible citizens. Students has beautifully celebrated with dance performances, poems, songs, and speeches on Independence Day. Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is a festival celebrating brothers and sisters' love, friendship, and bond. Rakhis are the symbol of unbreakable tie between brothers and sisters. Janmashtami. Lord Krishna's birth is celebrated as Janmashtami. Janmashtami is celebrated as a symbol of the end of darkness and rooting out of the evil forces. Students of Class 1 celebrated Krishna Ashtami with art activity, and children have made beautiful dahi handi to remember Lord Krishna. Thank you everyone. This is all about the activities of Term 1 taken up by Class 1 in this.